Already, this is 2001 Lincoln Town Car. Alright, so we will be replacing the accumulator, the orifice tube located in this inside this line right here, and also we will be replacing the AC compressor. Alrighty, so first off, disconnect this electrical harness, and then we'll start disconnecting the line. Okay. Alright, now we're going to remove the this sensor. Alright, we're going to use a size 17. There you go. Man, it's not even tight. Alright, well, remove that lock, and there's also a lock down here. There you go. Okay, so the tools we will be using for to disconnect the AC line is this one right here. Okay. Right. So we will be using the white one. It's a 3/4 tube size, and we'll put we'll put this inside just like that. Inside, and then we have to push that in. Alright, so you have to push that in, then kind of pull it like that. There you go. You gotta have this kind of tools, or it will be impossible to release the spring from the inside here to disconnect from the line. Okay, right here. Alright, we'll be using a 27 open wrench, 27 open wrench, and a 7/8 open wrench. Okay. There you go. Alright, right behind here is the bolts that holds the brackets. Okay, now we got them loose, and here you go. Alright, so down here we will disconnect this line, and then we will pull the orifice tube. Inside here is the orifice tube. We will be using the blue color our disconnect tools. It's a size 1.5. Alrighty. There you go. Let's disconnect, so we'll use, this is what we use right here, is the size 1.5. Alright, so as you can see, oops, sorry about that. See our line right there. Disconnected. Now you can just pull it just like that. Alright, as you can see, there is the orifice tube. We'll have to pull that orifice tube out, okay? Alright, so we will be using a long nose plier to pull the orifice tube. There you go. See, that's dirty orifice tube. Right there. Okay. Ready. So went ahead and replaced the O-ring on this one. I put a new O-ring in it. So always use new O-ring. Okay. Now I'm ready to install the orifice tube. Ready. So I'm going to put a little bit of pag oil here, right here. Then now we're ready to put the orifice tube in, just like so, right there. Alright, so we just need to push that in just like that. Okay, we'll push it in all the way more. All the way more. About there. Okay, now it's in. Alright, to install this, we just have to push this one in all the way until you hear it click. Right? Okay. Alright, the orifice tube is in already. Now we're ready to install the new accumulator. Alright, we are ready to install the accumulator. Alright, it's in. Just need to tighten them up. Alright, so before you remove the serpentine belt, make sure that you make yourself a schematic, serpentine belt schematics. It doesn't have to be pretty. as long as you can understand it. Alright, so I got the belt off right here. Okay. Alright. So to remove the line, we'll have to disconnect it from the joint right there. We have to disconnect the line from again from there, the high and the low side right there. We'll have to use our special tools to disconnect the line. Okay, otherwise, you know, if you try to remove the bolt right there that is attached to the AC compressor, you will have to remove the exhaust manifold, which we don't want to do that. Okay, already. Alright, so as you can see, we have to disconnect this line right here. It's like that. And that one is hard to get to it. Hard to disconnect the line. But anyway, have to use this tools right here to disconnect the other line. Okay. Alright, now that we got it disconnected, and now we're ready to pull the AC compressor out. So there's 3 bolts that attached to the engine mounts. Attached to the engine, 3 bolts attached to the engine that's holding the AC compressor. Alright, so now, as you can see, we have to remove the bolts right here and bolts right there and right here. Okay. Alright guys, we'll be using a size 10 socket. Alright, we got 1 bolt out. Second bolt out, and they're all the same size length, so alright. Alright, we got all the bolts out. So I got the AC compressor just sitting right there. I'm just gonna pull that from the top. Okay. Oh, I can pull that compressor out from there. There you go. Whew. Alright, so got the compressor out from here. What happened? What happened to the compressor? We lost the clutch right here. I mean, they all came apart. Alrighty, so we're gonna have to take this off and transfer this into the new compressor. That thing is tight. Alright, so we'll have to transfer this into the new compressor. Alright. Okay, so I have to transfer this over here. I'm just gonna have clean this one really well, really good, and then move it to the new one. Okay. Alright, so I got the AC compressor right there, just sitting in there right now. Then I'm ready to bolt it in, mount it to the engine. Okay. Alright, so got the compressor up there, just need to tighten them up. There you go, nice and tight. Alright, now we're gonna replace the O-ring on this one, and same on the other. On this one we're gonna replace the O-ring. Okay, so then we'll go ahead and reinstall the AC line. Alright, so we'll be doing a diagnostic on the AC blower on this one. According to the owner, the blower is not working. So first off, we'll go ahead and check the blower. Okay, we're gonna unplug the electrical harness right here. Alright, and then turn it on, see if it comes on. If it's on, meaning the relay may be bad, or the blower resistor may be bad. Okay. Alright, so I put a wire in there for my test probe. I'll be using this right here, test probe right here. We're gonna power up the blower fan right there and see if we can hear anything, see if it works. Okay. Alright. There you go. You can hear the fan going. There you go. So the fan is good. Right there. There you go. See? The fan is good. So now our problem will be the blower resistor. So we'll have to probably replace the blower resistor, but before that we need to check the relay. Okay. Already, so it's all put together. Accumulator, orifice tube, and the AC compressor. Alright, and serpentine belt right there. So alrighty guys, and thank you for watching my video.